Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about the type of the orbitals. The most important is the s orbital, p orbital and d orbital. S orbital, p orbital and d orbital. There are further more orbitals like f orbital, g orbital, h orbital, but we have to need the three types of the orbital mostly cases. So s orbital, there is only one type of s orbital, one type of s orbital, and we know that for s orbital value of azimuthal quantum number L value we have discussed in the last lecture that the value of L is equals to 0 for the s orbital, and there is only one type of s orbital and this is spherical symmetric. दिस इज द स्फेरिकल सिमेट्रिक शेप कैसा है इसका शेप ऑफ द एस ऑर्बिटल इज स्फेरिकल सिमेट्रिक. Now we will come to the p orbital. There are three type of p orbital. There are three type of p orbital: px, py and pz. There are three types of the p orbital: px, py and pz. We have three axes: x axis, y axis and perpendicular to this in the three dimensional. See that there is the x axis. Suppose we are taking this x axis, y axis and perpendicular to this x and y there is the z axis, but in the two dimensional we cannot शो द 3D. टू डायमेंशनल के अंदर हम 3D को शो नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए आई हैव टेकन दिस एज द जेड एक्सिस. दिस इज द एक्स एक्सिस, this is the y axis and this is the z axis. This is the x axis, this is the y axis and this is the z axis. What is the meaning of the x, y and z? In the x there is the electron density along the x axis, here electron density along the y axis, here electron density along the z axis. So px will look like at the electron density along x, py look like as electron density along y axis and pz is the electron density along the z axis. This is the px, this is the py and this is the pz. The difference that electron density along x axis, electron density along y axis and electron density along z axis. You will see that there is the plus sign, minus sign, plus sign, minus sign, plus sign and minus sign. What is this plus and minus sign? That we have discussed that the wave nature of the electron. Wave nature of electron. So due to the wave nature, this is the crust, this is the trough. So जो ऊपर वाला पोर्शन है वेव का क्या होगा, एक पर्टिकुलर फेज होगा. सो फेज के अकॉर्डिंग इसको प्लस और इसको माइनस. सिमिलरली दीज प्लस माइनस साइंस आर नथिंग, दीज आर द फेज इन द ऑर्बिटल्स एंड द शेप ऑफ दीज ऑर्बिटल्स आर डम्बल. कैसी शेप में रखते हैं इनको, जैसे जिम में जो डंबल होता है तो डंबल के जैसे इनकी शेप मैच करती है, तो दिस इज द डंबल. नाउ डी ऑर्बिटल. डी ऑर्बिटल्स आर 5 टाइप: डी एक्स वाई, डी वाई जेड, डी जेड एक्स, डी एक्स स्क्वेयर माइनस वाई स्क्वेयर एंड डी जेड स्क्वेयर. देर आर 5 टाइप ऑफ डी ऑर्बिटल: डी एक्स वाई, dYz, dzx, dx square minus y square and dz square. Now dxy, dyz and dzx, these are the axial orbitals. So these are non-axial orbitals. What is the meaning of non-axial orbitals? That dxy, x or y, electron density is present in between x and y axis. Electron density is present in between x and y axis. So these are non-axial. These are the axes. In between axis के बीच में electron density present है. So these are known as the non-axial orbital. In dyz, electron density is present between yz axis, and in dzx, electron density is present between z and x orbit. So electron density in between x and y is the dxy, between y and z dyz, and dzx the electron density is between z and x axis. While in dx square minus y square and dz square. These are known as the axial orbitals. These are known as the axial orbitals because electron density present along the axis. Present along the axis. XY axis के along present होगा and in dz square z axis, suppose this is z axis, electron density along z axis present होगा, so along the axis present है, so these are the axial orbitals. These are the axial orbitals. These are the non axial orbitals.